Most couples ask one simple question when trying for a baby. Is it better to try in the morning or at night? As a reproductive specialist with over 2 decades of clinical experience, I want to clarify this using biology, not myths. The human body runs on a circadian rhythm, and male fertility is also influenced by this internal clock. Testosterone levels naturally peak in the early morning hours, usually between 6 and 9 a.m. higher. Testosterone supports better erectile function, improved semen parameters, and stronger sexual drive. While sperm takes weeks to develop, the quality of ejaculation can still vary within a day. Scientific studies have shown that semen samples collected in the morning often demonstrate slightly higher concentration, better motility, and healthier morphology compared to evening samples. One reason is oxidative stress. Throughout the day, heat exposure, physical activity, mental stress, tight clothing, alcohol, and poor sleep increase reactive oxygen species, which can negatively affect sperm DNA. Sleep plays a critical role here. During deep sleep, melatonin acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping protect sperm DNA and support hormonal balance. Men who sleep less than 6 hours regularly tend to have lower testosterone and poorer semen quality. From a clinical perspective, many fertility centers observe small but consistent improvements in motility and DNA integrity in morning samples. Morning intimacy also has psychological benefits. Stress hormones like cortisol are lower, mood is better, and emotional connection is stronger, all of which indirectly support reproductive hormones such as LH and FSH. However, timing should always match recovery, not the clock. For night shift workers or individuals with reversed sleep cycles, their biological morning may occur in the evening. In such cases, the best time is after deep rest, not society's standard schedule. One important caution is late-night intercourse after heavy exercise, alcohol intake, heat exposure, or sleep deprivation, as this environment is less favorable for sperm health. Sometimes the most powerful fertility decision a couple makes is prioritizing quality sleep. When biology, rest, and emotional connection align, natural conception chances improve in a very real, measurable way.